If you want to learn how to remove and replace the Pollen air conditioning filter on a Toyota Yaris Cross, then check out this video. Hi guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. My name is Ross and that is a 2025 Toyota Yaris Cross. And in this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to remove and replace the air conditioning pollen filter on this car, or even just give an inspection so you can go ahead and clean it. Now, all of the air conditioning in the car runs through this filter, so if you're getting any bad smells, this could be the reason. And it's actually found over the left-hand side or passenger side of the vehicle in this instance, because this is a right-hand drive, and it's found just behind the glove box. So what you're going to do is come down. I've actually slid this chair all the way back to give us some more space. You're going to open up your glove box. Now you notice on the side it says push, says the same on the other side. You're basically going to squeeze that in and then do the same on the other side. And that allows you to move your glove box down. When you get it pretty much horizontal, you can actually just lift it straight out. And that's because there's flat spots on these. So that to remove and replace the glove box, nice and simple, straight in like that, and then you can hinge it up and then straight down and out. Now we can take a look behind the glove box. So we've got some electrical connections over the left hand side. You don't want to touch any of those. You've actually got the fan to your air conditioning system down here, and then this is our filter box. It's got a number 3 on it with an arrow pointing up with the word up next to it, and we're just going to go ahead and squeeze these tabs in at the middle on the left, and that allows you to open up the door. You can just remove it. Now you can see it's got a couple of pins down the bottom there, and that keeps the filter tight up. So as you can see, this also says up, and then you can remove this. Now it does actually say replace only, but you could just use a fine brush or vacuum cleaner to clean it out if there's some debris on top. But they're relatively cheap if you do just want to replace them as well. So once you've got your new one, or you've cleaned your old one, you can just slide it all the way back in, making sure the text is facing out and the arrow is facing up. We then get our door, line it up on the right hand side with the 2 locating pins, flick it back round and making sure it clicks in, and then just give it a check, make sure it's all the way closed. Get your glove box from earlier, lining that back up with them flat spots, and then you can just rotate that up and click it in. And that is how easy it is to remove and replace the air conditioning pollen filter on a Toyota Yaris Cross. This is a 2025 model. If you found that video interesting or helpful, please do give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.